Hi children, good morning. In the previous episode we have discussed about different types of leaves and different parts of a leaf and different functions of that leaves. And now in this episode we are going to discuss the third chapter, that is lesson 3, animals, life and survival. So in this lesson we are going to discuss about what are the different types of animals based upon their habitats and what are the different types of animals based upon their food habits. So in this way we also examples for different types of animals based on the habitats and also examples for the different types of animals based upon their food habits. So let us start our lesson. So animals, life and survival. So children, what are animals? We will observe various types of animals and different types of animals in our surroundings. So some we will observe in villages on roadside, and some animals we will observe in the forest, and we will observe some animals in the water. So the place where the animals grow naturally is called habitat. So children, what is habitat? So the place where the animal, so the place in the surroundings, where an animal lives is called habitat. So children, so what is habitat? So as like human beings, so human beings live in different types of houses. So poor people lives in different types of houses and rich people have different houses. So in this way, different peoples living in different regions of our world will live in different types of houses. In the same way, animals also, they have different types of habitats. That means some animals live in land areas, that means in villages and on roadside, and some animals we will observe in water, and some animals we will observe in forest. So the place in the surroundings where an animal lives is called habitat. So there are different types of habitats. So there are different habitats. For example, if you take land as a habitat, for example, we will observe some animals on the land, especially in villages on roadside. For example, cat, dogs, cows, buffaloes. So these are the animals which live on the land. And whereas if you take water, so some animals live in ponds, and whereas some animals live in rivers, and some animals live in oceans, and some animals live in seas, and also some animals live in lakes. So in this way, so the animals will have different habitats and different animals live in different habitats. Whereas if we take air, so we will observe some animals in air, flying in the air. For example, birds. So most of the birds will fly in the air and we will observe in the air. So children, these are the examples for different habitats. So if you take land as a habitat, so there are different types of land, that is the deserts, mountain regions, and also ice cold regions, that is the polar regions. So these are the different habitats under land. And whereas if you take water as a habitat, there are different water habitats like ponds, rivers, oceans, seas, lakes. All these are examples for water habitats, and we will observe different types of animals like fishes, whales, crabs, etc. will be observed in the water. So if you take air as a habitat, so most of the birds will fly in air. So in this way, every day we will observe various types of animals, and we will observe various types of animals in different habitats. So children, so all these animals look like same? No, all the animals do not look like same. They are different. So they are different in their body structure, and they are different about their skin, and they are different in their food habits. So different animals eat different types of food items. Some animals eat plants and grass. Some animals eat flesh of other animals. So some animals will eat insects. So in this way, the animals are different in their food habits, and they are different in habitats. So all the animals does not live in the same habitat. So they are live in different habitats like land, water and air. So in this way, so all the animals are not look like same. They are different in different ways. They are different in different ways. That is, they are different in their body shape, color, skin, and they are different in their food habits, and they are different in the breathing. That means breathing organs. So now our lesson is we can classify the animals based upon their food habits. So the animals are especially different in the different ways. If we take, so in what ways the animals are different? So the animals are different in their skin. So they are, all the animals are not look like same, and the skin of all the animals is not same. So if you take most of the animals have fur or hair like on their skin. So most of the animals, you take dogs, cats, rats, tigers, lions and leopards. So if you consider most of the animals, all they have fur on their skin. And some animals have scales like fishes and snakes. They have fishes on their skin. So in this way, the animals are different in their skin. And another way is the animals are different in their food habits. That means feeding. So food habits is also one of the way. So we can differentiate the animals. And also habitats. So animals are different animals have different habitats. Already we have discussed that water, land, air, all these are different habitats. We can observe different animals in different habitats. Like some animals will be observed in deserts. Some animals will be observed in ice cold regions. Whereas some animals will be observed in water and some animals will be observed in air. So in this way, the animals are different in these ways. Now, we will classify the animals based upon their food habits. So now we will classify our animals based upon their food habits. So based upon their food habits, the animals are classified into three types. So that is based upon their food habits and based upon their habitats, the animals are classified into three types. That is, so first one take habitats and next you take food habits. So let us discuss about the different types of animals based on their habitats. So based upon their habitats, the animals are classified into, the first one is terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals. And the second type is aquatic animals. So the second type is aquatic animals. And the third one is amphibian. So third type of animals are amphibians. Third type of animals are amphibians. And fourth type of animals are arboreal animals. Arboreal animals. And fifth type of animals are aerial animals. So aerial animals. So children, this is the classification of animals based upon their habitats. So the animals are classified into 5 types based upon their habitats. The first one is terrestrial animals, second one is aquatic animals, and the third one is amphibians, and fourth one is arboreal animals, and fifth one is aerial animals. Now let us discuss about in detail about each type of animals. So let us discuss the first type of animals, that is the terrestrial animals. So children, so what are terrestrial animals and what are the special features, that means what are the adaptations in these type of animals? So the first type of animals are